ये जो नवीन की बात है, मैं कितना भी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी को, हमारे जयशंकर जी को और जिन लोग इसमें सब शामिल हैं उनको मैं धन्यवाद किया तो भी कमी है आ गया है अभी आगे.
So you fulfill the wish of the mother and the father. They want to.
Yeah. The mother especially was just crying for the dead body to come. And initially we were also skeptical how it is possible from a war zone. But however, it's a Herculean task. And this Herculean task was conducted successfully by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is huge diplomatic strength. It is huge image. He could establish the contacts with the border countries and bring in 19,000 children. And this was just impossible because most of the time we don't get our own Sainiks from the soldiers from the war zone. But we are getting a citizen, that too in the third country. It is just a miracle, and this miracle has been done by our Narendra Modi ji with his strong image and hard efforts, and that's why I have, from bottom of my heart, I have thanked him. At least he could get the body of a son to a mother, father, and the pit and kids. And he's the only boy who has been attacked. So unfortunate. But hats up to Government of India, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Words, I am feeling short of words to thank him. Because everybody thought it was not possible. Everybody thought. And some people made some misstatements. They should bring. All these statements are very easy to make. So difficult from a war zone to bring. And they have done. That shows the image of Narendra Modi in the worldwide and the strength of Narendra Modi worldwide.